today I'm going to color this picture of a dump truck. Let's color in the truck driver first. Let's make his skin peach with brown hair. And let's color in his hat yellow with a blue shirt and brown gloves. Next, let's color in the window around him light blue. Next, let's color in the bed of his truck yellow and orange with an orange light on top. And let's color in the front of his truck yellow and gray with an orange, red, and white light. And let's color in the tires in the bottom of the truck black, yellow, and gray. Okay, now I'm all finished coloring in the dump truck. Now let's color in the background behind it. Let's make the road he's driving on gray. And let's make the grass green with some darker green pieces and some gray rocks. And let's make the big piles of dirt tan with darker brown rocks. And lastly, let's color in the sky light blue. Okay, I'm all finished. Wow, this picture turned out so cool. I love all the bright colors of the dump truck. This looks like one awesome construction site. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this coloring video. Have a colorful day and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Hey everyone, be sure to check out my Kimmi the Clown coloring books at itskimmi.com or Amazon.